которые стали не нужны, которых прячут от всех, от кого неизвестно, клетки свинарника.
The results of yesterday's attack in Dagestan. 20 people were killed in terrorist attacks in Dagestan, according to Telegram channels close to law enforcers. According to Baza, 15 law enforcers were killed, as well as 1 priest, 1 church guard, and 3 unidentified people. The publication 112 writes that 17 law enforcers were killed. According to the Telegram channel, 44 people were injured, among them 37 law enforcers. Quick analysis of the attackers in Makhachkala, Dagestan. Just a few quick notes, but some good information here on the weapons used and level of training. 4 screenshots can tell us a lot more than you'd expect. Dagestan is where the Boston Marathon bombers Tamerlan and Dzhokhar Tsarnaev moved to Makhachkala in 2001. Dagestan is one of the most economically depressed areas occupied by Russia, and a history of violent uprisings, for example, in the 1999 war in Dagestan. First, let's talk weapons. This is an AR-15 M16 based rifle. Notable is the use of an LPVO, low-power variable optic, in a cantilever mount, the free float rail system, and what appears to be a mid-length gas system with a 14.5-inch barrel. What does this mean? LPVOs are scopes in the 1:4, 1:6, 1:8, and sometimes 1:10 magnification range. When combined with an illuminated reticle, crosshair, or dot, they provide enormous flexibility, employable as a short-range red dot and a longer-range scope with high precision. The use of these optics in tactical environs is a relatively recent development. The U.S. Army uses the Sig Sauer Tango 6T-16, the U.S. Marines the Trijicon VCOG-18. The cantilever scope mount is a telling detail. It is specific to the AR-15 M16 rifles to get proper eye relief. The free float rail, barrel length, and mid-length gas system are not used in this combination by any U.S. military branch. So silence with any propaganda saying this came from Ukraine. It is a configuration that is sold in huge numbers across the world to civilians and police. The other shooter has a standard AK-74 or AK-47 in a short barrel configuration. There are millions of these available worldwide in black market, civilian, and military inventories. Using a properly mounted LPVO indicates a higher level of sophistication. Small details matter. Second, tactics. Initially, note the proper use of cover as both protection from a threat situated in front of the engine block, the use of a rest, and the left hand as a brace to hold the rifle stock in the chest for greater accuracy. Next, note how the second shooter pulls security, provides cover from the most likely apparent area of possible attack for his teammates, also using the truck as cover. Both shooters employ their weapons appropriately, as far as grip and stance, but hard to see fully. Same photo, but also note that the third teammate is rifling through the police vehicle searching for, most likely, ammunition, radios, medical gear, or other relevant provisions. This is often overlooked in other attacks. Finally, it is hard to see in a still, but I have upscaled this a bit. You can definitely tell in the video with movement. The shooter here is employing what looks like a C-clamp forward grip on his rifle. This is a modern and accurate technique for employing select-fire rifles. Summary: these appear to be well-trained, well-equipped, and well-coordinated assaulters working with a plan. They are operating in an area with a history of violent uprisings against Russian occupation. Absolutely zero Ukrainian connections indicated. Something burned very strong overnight in Rostov. Still waiting information's what is it? Russian serviceman and blogger Guzenko, 13th, shares a video from a pigsty in which wounded and untreated Russian military personnel are kept, from whom disabled regiments are formed. However, Guzenko himself describes what is happening in vivid colors. Just read his comment. Everything that the presidential administration media tells you from TV is complete bullshit. This is the true attitude towards soldiers by the command. They keep everyone like cattle, the wounded, the untreated, the mobakis, the contractors, for many things. For example, for sending some faggot Major Kovalev to go fuck himself, or for something else, and they make disabled regiments out of them. And do you know why? Yes, because there are not enough people. Hello! Announce mobilization! Let go home those who have been fighting for you for 2 fucking years, bitches! Grandpa's simply afraid to announce mobilization, so that the people will not know for sure what you are really doing there. This is a natural purgatory. Put your children there, you fucking fuckers. The coordinates of this place, all the information was passed on to the military prosecutor and department employees who will turn those responsible for this nonsense inside out. And this is not all, so you understand.
Там, блядь, живут. Воины, российской армии живут, которые стали не нужны, которых прячут от всех, от кого неизвестно. Клетки, свинарники. Люди поприходили в МК, там, без ног, без рук. Да. С рукой, что тебе сделал с рукой? Или держится, блядь, от рука, нахуй, держит людей, вот они, свинарники, блядь, ебать. Воинов, блядь, держит тут, нахуй, сука, пиздец. Вот опять же ж видео. Батя, покажи, что у тебя с пальцами. Покажи, что с пальцами у тебя. Покажи, смотрите. Вообще пальцы, куда он, даже и он не работает, палец в обратную сторону загибается, ничего не работает. Пацан находится здесь, в ВК прошел, ничего ни хрена. Пацан без ноги, без глаза находится, нету ноги вообще, выше колена нету ноги, блядь. Ёбаный в рот, сидим в этом подвале, блядь. Тут без рук люди, с руками, блядь, ёлки-палки, поломанные, блядь, брошенные. Ну и куда это годится, срачник такой, блядь, ебать. Пиздец, нахуй, блядь, пленных держит, нахуй, блядь. Все лежит вон за огородках. Сейчас еще будет наполнение к этому. Если что-то все же, блядь, показать, блядь. Конечно. Так я это проходил, блядь. Я же так проходил, блядь. Ну, блядь, сука, ебаный рот. Сука, лучше плен, блядь. Сука, я понимаю. Армия России. Меня прогнала, меня прогнала, как категория моя. Граничная охота, там с красной печатью, социальная болезнь, находимся тоже здесь. Готовили рапорт на увольнение. 2 года не могли видеть свою руку, ничего, находимся. Все по заданию, ничего нет, а сидим в этих свинарниках, в этих гадюшниках.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.